I was just in a hot tub with two deaf people and it got so weird because they would look at me and then do sign language to each other and laugh. So I knew they were either judging me or making fun of me. And listen, I don't discriminate. If you want to talk trash, I'll talk trash. So my first idea was to cover both of their eyes so they couldn't communicate anymore, but that was kind of too far. So I did this motion back to them because I thought that meant like F you or screw you. But then they laughed even more. So I looked it up and apparently this is calling someone cute in sign language. They were not cute. They were mean! So if anyone knows how to talk trash in sign language, please tell me because I need to fight back next time.